I'm going to show you how to cast on using the long tail method. There are two ways to begin. You can start by creating a slip knot like this. Twist your yarn, taking your working yarn and threading it through the loop, and then pulling to tighten that knot. Then once you put your needle through the loop, pull the working yarn to tighten that stitch. This will be your first stitch. Then you're going to want to place your finger under the working yarn and your thumb under the tail. You will begin by going under the loop of the thumb, over the loop of the finger, and then bring that back through the loop of the thumb. Again, under the loop of the thumb, over the loop of the finger, and through the loop of the thumb. Under the thumb loop, over the finger loop, and through the thumb loop. Now I'm going to show you without using a slip knot. Then you will take your working yarn and place it over your finger and the tail over your thumb. Then grab both ends with the rest of your fingers. Take your needle and place it on top, and then twist. And this will be your first stitch. And then begin to cast on. Under the loop of the thumb, over the loop of the finger, and through the loop of the thumb. And then just give it a little tight pull. Under the loop of the thumb, over the loop of the finger, through the loop of the thumb. Under the thumb, over the finger, and through the thumb. You would keep doing this until you get the number of stitches your pattern calls for. And that is how you cast on using the long tail method. If you like this tutorial, check out my other videos on my channel. Links to the items I used are in the description below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.